Welcome to the Craftsman's House 302, your exclusive portal to an unparalleled escape. A private haven awaits, accessible with a simple scan of the QR code displayed on screen, or by reading the detailed description below. Nestled within a meticulously crafted architectural masterpiece, the Craftsman's House 302 offers an intimate sanctuary where artistry meets absolute comfort. Stepping inside, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere of curated elegance. The design, a symphony of rich textures and refined details, showcases the utmost in craftsmanship. Natural light spills through expansive windows, illuminating bespoke furnishings and original artwork, creating a truly sensory experience. Your private chef is welcomed in a fully stocked private kitchen, ready to prepare bespoke gourmet meals. Every element, meticulously chosen, contributes to an atmosphere of understated luxury. Days begin with uninterrupted serenity, and evenings conclude with breathtaking sunsets. Every suite is a private retreat of unparalleled beauty, offering unmatched privacy and an experience curated for the most discerning traveler. Enjoy immersive experiences curated exclusively for you. Don't forget to reserve your escape. Simply scan the QR code now to book your exquisite experience at the Craftsman's House 302.